Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I have a new product that I'm announcing today and sharing with you, which is the 5-compartment 16-ounce split cup with a handle. This is brand new, just gonna put it up on the website right after I make this video, but I'm really excited to show you guys how it works. Now this was the first prototype, so it's got a couple little errors, but the final product is awesome. All right, and just to explain my setup here, I have an IKEA lac side table. It's about 2 feet by 2 feet, and I do have it up on my cake spinner because I want to do this as a straight pour and I want to rotate it and then possibly spin it out a little bit. So the whole purpose of a split cup is to keep the colors more separate than in a regular cup. I'm gonna pour kind of slowly down the sides, and I want a lot of white in here. I'm going for something light and kind of beachy colored. So I put white in 2 compartments there. I'm gonna put a little bit of gold in that compartment and then in a couple other compartments here. And I'm going to basically just layer these compartments with white, gold, and then various blues. Now the blues will mix with the gold to make a green, which is totally fine. As long as you kind of know what your colors are doing, you won't be too shocked. And all of the paints that I'm using are Mixed Media Girl pouring paints. So I have here the white, the gold. I used a little bit of a powder blue, which is a temporary color that we have sometimes. This one is Pacific Blue, and I'm also going to add some turquoise, which is the turquoise. Now this side table will need all 16 ounces, definitely, and then some. I might add a little bit of paint before I pour anyways onto the table directly. Let's do just a little more gold here. All right, our cup is nice and pretty full. So I'm gonna move the cup off, and I am gonna put a decent amount of white down here, and I will spread that out a little bit as well. That's just to make sure we have plenty of paint. When you do spin out a piece, you don't need quite as much paint as you do when tilting, but you still want to make sure you have lots. And having your paint already go all the way out to the edge really helps to make sure that you get full coverage pretty easily. I've got a lot of air bubbles here, so before I spin it, I want to torch those out. You don't necessarily have to do that, but sometimes a big old air bubble can just totally get in the way of your project. All right, I'm gonna add a little more white here in the middle just kind of start my puddle. And here we go. So a straight pour is a little different than a ring pour. You pour just straight in the middle. You don't go in a circle at all. And I'm gonna rotate the table slightly. I'm not going super fast as I pour. Look at that, that is beautiful. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and spin this out. And I'm just spinning pretty lightly. I actually did not even attach the table to the spinner because it's pretty heavy. So I'm not going to spin super hard. And I'm going to tilt this to get it just a little more centered before I spin again. Okay, so coming in for the close-up. I am a little short, so it's not so easy, but here we go. It has a little more gold than I would have liked. And as we were using the split cup, it does stay pretty prominent instead of blending with the other colors as much as it normally would. But I still love it. I kind of was hoping more for coloring like this throughout. But I just need to layer the cup a little bit differently next time. Got some very cool reactions in here though, and I am overall super happy with these colors. So once this is completely dry, I will seal it with resin, attach the legs, and it'll be all done. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this project. Let me know what you think. And check out that new split cup if you'd like. And I will see you all next time.